Hello everybody, I'm at the Thorpe Park Resort today for day 1 out of 2. I'm staying overnight here for the Fright Nights event that is going on at the moment. I've already experienced Fright Nights but haven't recorded any of it, so today you'll be getting my full breakdown of every maze. Some night rides, just some off-ride shots, POVs, on-ride POVs, off-ride POVs. But hopefully it'll be a really good day. I'll give you a little room tour of what we're staying in. We're just staying in the bog standard shark cabin, nothing special. Just because we stayed last year in the Swarm one and the extra money, other than the fast track, wasn't really worth it. We're here on a quiet Thursday evening anyway. It's currently the 17th of October. We'll be here tomorrow again for Friday the 18th of October. We'll be going through most of our scare mazes. So I'll leave there. I'll pick up in a minute. Thorpe Park Shark Cabins have quite a nice, I think this is like a smoking area. I'm not too sure, but you've got a really nice view of Stealth and Swarm. But yeah, you've also got some really creepy and eerie music playing, just to make you feel really good about yourself when you're here. Now these are just shipping containers, they're nothing special compared to your normal stuff, but it's still pretty nice that they have the option to stay here, whether that is in a shipping container or a proper hotel. I don't really care, as long as there's somewhere warm to put my head down at the end of the night. Alright, so I'll take you through in a sec. Top Gear's still on. Top Gear's still on. The rooms are nothing special, just a double bed with a TV and 2 bunk beds. Bosh, that's got a detonator. Where is it? No, it's right there. We've just had to neck the rest of our beers. We're gonna feel great. We literally just come off from detonator, feel sick, gonna go puke. Nah, but it's actually a classic. The fact that you can go on it every time, it's the same feeling, is nuts. Like, absolutely nuts. I personally think this ride could do with a massive overhaul for next season. You know, some more theming maybe, make it a bit more rapid. shows are absolutely insane, especially with a pint of beer. Because why wouldn't you have a pint of beer? They're absolutely nuts. Look at this. Let's see it. Right, so we're about to go get a couple of night rides in. We're going to start the night off with Nemesis Inferno, which we've rode before at night. It's a really good night ride, I think. The better Nemesis as well. No. But yeah, I mean, the park looks so atmospheric already. It's insane. I'll quickly spin it around. I mean, look at that sky. That is beautiful. And we'll be getting a night ride in on Hyperia as well. Look at that. Oh. We just got off from our sunset ride on Stealth and it was amazing. The refurb train on Stealth is absolutely insane. And it's actually rideable now, for me at least. Beforehand it was absolutely awful. What do you think?
I never really found Stealth to be that bad.
Yeah.
It was only until I'd ridden the refurb train and the old train where I realised how rough it can be.
Literally, you realise what you're missing out on, don't you?
Going over that top into the brakes on the old train, depending on what road you're on, it can be very heavy.
Absolutely insane, yeah. It's a good ride. Very good ride though. Oh, beautiful coaster. Just had a god-awful night ride on Colossus, but it's old reliable, you're going to hate it, right? You're always going to hate it. It's just an awful ride. It's so uncomfortable, seriously. I hate it. We have just had our final ride of the night on Hyperia. We got on the second to last train on row 5 and we come back into the station and they're like, what rows was it? It was from 3 backwards, I think. It's posted on Instagram at the moment. From the 3rd row backwards, they were like, oh, if you'd like to ride again, you can stay on. And we were like,
was it 1 to 4?
No, it was the first 3 rows because there was people queuing up, wasn't there?
Oh,
there was nobody in the back, the rest of the rows. Absolutely insane. So we just had
I'm just baffled.
Two literally back rides. It's absolutely insane. I mean, oh, what a night. What a night. Absolutely insane to get 2 back-to-back night rides on this thing. I mean, it's just nuts. Queuing less than an hour is lucky, but back-to-back is absolutely crazy to me. The last trains of the night. Probably, yeah, about half an hour. What's the time now? Yeah, probably about half an hour queue time. I mean, look at it. It's a beautiful coaster. Yeah, I mean, what are the chances of that? Absolutely insane.